Welcome! Today, we're diving into securing Apache with SSL using Ansible. SSL encryption is crucial. It keeps communication between users and servers safe from prying eyes. Ansible simplifies this process, making security setup smoother and error-free. A properly configured SSL helps maintain trust and meets compliance requirements. And hey, wouldn't you prefer automation over tedious manual steps? Let's make security hassle-free. I'm Amelia James, a technology expert with 13+ years of experience designing and delivering human resource management systems that actually work for people. I specialize in building scalable integrated HR platforms that streamline processes, enhance employee experience, and give leadership real-time, actionable insights. Let's kick things off with the basics. Apache is a powerhouse web server running millions of websites. Ansible, on the other hand, is our automation wizard. It handles configurations so we don't have to. When we bring them together, managing web infrastructure becomes smoother and smarter. Let's be honest, nobody likes manual setup. It's error-prone and frustrating. That's why automation is the way forward. Why bother with SSL? Simple security. SSL encrypts user data, ensuring confidentiality. It also boosts credibility. Visitors trust sites with the padlock icon. Some regulations demand SSL, so compliance is a must. Plus, without it, cybervillains can intercept sensitive information. Wouldn't want hackers snooping on your data, right? SSL is the digital bodyguard your website deserves. Before we secure Apache, let's ensure we have all the tools. First, Apache should be installed and running. Kind of essential, right? Next, you need admin privileges because security setup requires authority. A domain name is necessary since SSL certificates bind to domains. Lastly, OpenSSL should be ready. It's our ticket to generating encryption magic. Managing SSL certificates manually is a hassle, but automation saves time and prevents lapses. First, the Acme protocol helps with automatic renewal, so you don't need to track expiration dates. Next, set up alerts to catch failures early. A centralized management tool makes life easier by keeping all certificates in check. Finally, ensure compatibility across services to avoid nasty surprises. Testing SSL isn't just a one-time task. It's an ongoing necessity. Start with online tools that highlight vulnerabilities. Next, expired or weak certificates can leave your system exposed, so stay vigilant. TLS version compatibility ensures smooth connections, while picking the right cipher suites keeps encryption strong. Think of it as regular health checkups, but for your security. SSL errors can be frustrating, but troubleshooting them isn't rocket science. First, mixed content warnings occur when secure and non-secure elements mix. Fix those to avoid browser complaints. Incorrect certificate installation is a common blunder, so double-check configurations. Outdated TLS versions might get rejected, so upgrade when needed. Handshake failures. Debug them by checking logs and validating server settings. Security is a moving target, but solid SSL practices help you stay ahead. First, strong encryption algorithms keep data safe. Don't settle for weak ones. Certificate pinning prevents nasty man-in-the-middle attacks. Updating SSL certificates regularly avoids outdated vulnerabilities. Finally, keep an eye on new SSL/TLS weaknesses so you're always one step ahead of attackers. SSL security is great, but what about speed? A slow SSL handshake hurts performance, so optimizing it is key. Session resumption speeds things up by skipping full handshakes. Hardware acceleration gives a boost by offloading cryptographic tasks. Finally, shorter certificate chains reduce verification time. Think of it as cutting unnecessary steps in a long queue. We've covered a lot, but let's wrap it up. SSL security is essential, and automating certificate renewal prevents headaches. Regular testing and monitoring ensure your setup is strong. Keep learning about new threats, because in security, staying informed is half the battle. Now go make your SSL setup rock solid. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us.